Have you ever put together one of these elevated raised beds? Well, today I'm going to show you. This company sent me over this product so I could do a thorough review. And I'm also going to show you how I assembled it. One of the number one things I like about this is that it's made out of galvanized metal. And this is preventing rust. It's also very long lasting. It comes with tools to use, but phew, it was a lot of bolts and nuts. It came with some rubber protective devices on the top and the bottom. Okay, I want to show you the finished product of this raised garden bed. It took a little bit of time, probably 45 minutes for me to put it together by myself. I just want to show you, I really like these rubber stoppers here. You could probably put a trellis on these. I think that is big enough for like one of those metal T-poles to go up. So you could put a trellis on it if you wanted to, in the back or the front if you have any climbing vegetables. But it looks very nice. It's very beautiful. Also has the rubber down here, which I like. So if you're putting it on a patio, it's not gonna scrape or scratch the wood deck or the patio. Here's the inside. It's reinforced on each side over here. And then as you can see, it does have some drainage holes. See, when you have soil in here, you can see there's a drainage. I think that I probably would, since I am a master gardener, I'm probably gonna drill probably 3 holes in the bottom also, just to make sure that it has enough drainage. If you use this and you can just put pots in it, then it has enough drainage. You can put the pots in it, it can drain into these little wells here, and then it'll be able to go out. Overall, I really do like this. It's a galvanized raised bed. I think it'll really work well for a senior or someone who has, in a wheelchair. It would be good for a community garden. So I really am thrilled with this product from Best Choice Products.